My name is Ed. Today I'm on the I-295 outer loop for Fayetteville, North Carolina. I'm standing on the U.S. Highway 401, also known as RAEFORD Road Interchange, to get the drone up and do a 360 view of this location. 2.7 miles north of here is the Fayetteville Road Interchange. It cost the North Carolina Department of Transportation $100.6 million to complete a 2.7 mile stretch of road from Fayetteville Road to where I'm standing today. $100.6 million for this stretch of highway to this point here. So let's get the drone up and see the U.S. Highway 401, also known as RAEFORD Road Interchange. This is the U.S. Highway 401 interchange. Now it is pretty windy today. We got winds coming out of the north at 12 miles an hour. The drone is up at 150 feet. As we make this 360 view of the RAEFORD Road Interchange. And right now I am getting some warnings from the drone that we're having that is experiencing some high winds. But looking at the monitor here, looks like we're still getting some pretty smooth video, so I'm not too concerned with the winds of 12 miles an hour. It's not going to affect the drone too much. However, I am getting some high wind warnings at this time. The drone is capable of flying about 45 miles per hour. So these 12 mile per hour winds really is no concern at this time. Because the drone can handle that, no problem. So like I said, it was from the Fayetteville Road location, which is 2.7 miles north of where I am right now. To construct that stretch of highway, and you'll be able to see that as the drone. You'll see the northern edge, you'll see the traffic coming out of the north from the Fayetteville Road location to the exit here at Green. That's as far as we can get at this point. And on the other side, this location here, you'll see you can probably see the Strickland Bridge Road and the Century Circle that crosses over this point here. So we'll let the drone go ahead and complete its rotation, 360 degree loop around this interchange. And it will come back and land on the takeoff point where it took off from.